but Rome's concrete legacy spread across the Mediterranean. Over 2,000 years ago in Judea, Romans perform an engineering miracle at a place called Caesarea Maritima. Revealed for the first time in centuries, the foundations of the huge harbor walls had to be built on shifting sand. It seems an impossible task. The sediment layer from the time of the harbor reveals a clue. Historical records reveal that Roman engineers ferry tons of pozzolana to Caesarea. It's known as hydraulic concrete, and it's a huge milestone in the history of construction. For years, how the Romans used this modern building material to create this harbor remains a mystery. 1,000 years ago, the Romans worked with concrete, just like we do today. We now know how Caesarea Maritima was constructed. Amongst the drained ruins, there's a clue to what happened. These layers suggest that something cataclysmic churned up the sediment. It seems likely that this great artificial harbor is reduced to a fraction of its former glory, just as Rome tightens its grip on the Mediterranean world. But Caesarea's part in the history of the Roman Empire is not over. The Romans apply the power of their wondrous concrete everywhere, establishing ports and harbors across the Mediterranean wherever they need. 1,000 years will pass before other nations, Portugal and Spain, come close to matching what the Romans achieve, domination of the known world through an empire of the seas. From Vesuvius's fiery wrath to the sunken treasures of Baiae, Portus, and Caesarea,